So today I want to give you a before and after of a recent kitchen renovation that I did and give you some of my favorite tips. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every week when I release a new video. So you can see here in the before picture, this kitchen was done probably in about the 90s and nothing had really been updated to it since. It just kind of had a dark, dull look to it, and the homeowners were really looking for a refresh. So one of the first tips I want to say in doing a kitchen renovation or a refresh to it is if you want to save costs on it, keep the footprint the same. So in this kitchen renovation, we didn't move things around. Where it actually was, where the stove is, where the fridge is, where the electrical is, we kept it the same, but what we did do is create a huge transformation in the materials and the look and feel of it. So the first thing in this kitchen renovation is we decided not to rip out the cabinets. If you can believe it, these are actually kind of the same cabinets in here. It's called a kitchen reface. So what happens is the company came in, measured everything out, then we went and chose what the cabinet style we wanted and the color. So we went with this sage green color, which I absolutely love, my first green kitchen, and the client wanted it. And then we went with sort of a shallow shaker style. Once we had chosen that, they went away, built the cabinet doors, and came back and installed the cabinet doors and then refaced the sides to make it look like a completely new kitchen. I want to point out another thing we did, again without replacing all the cabinets, was bring the cabinets to the ceiling, because as you can see from the before picture, they were quite low, which again makes it look dated. So to bring it above, the cabinet makers just added a riser above the cabinets and then the trim, which brought it all the way up to the ceiling, which made it look so much more modern. Next, in thinking of our palette, we really wanted a white countertop. So we have this gorgeous one, Silestone, which is, and it's in like a matte suede finish, they call it. So it has a little bit of veining to it in that matte finish, which gives it a more modern look. And something we did that I really love, because it's a small kitchen, we did the same material up the backsplash. We didn't change the backsplash. In a small space, you want to kind of make it as seamless as possible to make it appear larger and open. If we created, say, a busy backsplash, the more contrast it have would actually make it feel smaller. And then to accent that beautiful green color, we went with a really fun, substantial hardware. We went with this matte black in these oversized handles, which really create a statement. We did that again with the matte black in the faucet. We even went with a black tinge in the appliances as well, just to keep everything within that same color palette. And last but not least, one of my favorite things of this kitchen is actually the light fixture. I think sometimes we think we have to have traditional pendants or traditional kitchen lighting overhead, and we chose this really cool wood, almost looks like an art piece to me, and it wouldn't be something you typically would think of going over a kitchen island, but we thought outside of the box, and the wood just warms it up. So I hope you enjoyed this little kitchen tour and before and after. If you like this video, make sure to like it, that you're subscribed, and share with your family and friends. And before starting any design or renovating project, the most important step is knowing what your design style is. So make sure to hop on over to karladreherdesign.com and link below for my free design style quiz. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.